Hello student, good morning. Today I am going to discuss chemistry subject of ninth class. The topic is nature of matter. Subtopic is element. In previous video I have discussed with the element, but today I am going to discuss in detail about element. Element is a purest form of a substance which contain only one types of particles. Particles may be atom, may be molecules, may be ions. The smallest part of an element is known as atom. The atom present in an element are identical shape, size, mass and properties. For example, if we take hydrogen elements, it contains large number of hydrogen atoms, which are identical shape, identical size and identical mass. If we take another example of sodium, it contains large number of sodium atom which are identical in shape, size, mass and properties. Total number of elements are 118, in which 92 are metals, 19 are non-metals and 7 are metalloids. So total number of elements are 118. Next point. It is required to write the name of elements. First name is regarding to the Latin name. The language that are used in an ancient Rome is known as Latin name, and it is mostly used by the learned people. So I am going to discuss some important elements and its Latin name. Name of element, name of element and Latin name. First one is hydrogen. Its Latin name is hydrogenium. Next, sodium. Its Latin name is natrium. Third one is potassium. Its Latin name is kalium. Mostly Latin name is based from its origin. Fourth one is mercury. Its Latin name is Hydra Gyra. Mercury is also known as liquid silver. It is very important, liquid silver, because its physical state is liquid. It is a liquid at room temperature and it is a silvery white. So mercury is known as liquid silver. In this topic, there are 4 elements and its Latin name. So it is required to learn, it is required to memorize these particular elements and its Latin name. Next, I am going to put a question. Question is, write the Latin name of lead and gold. This is the Homework question. All are required to solve the question. Write the Latin name of lead and gold. Okay. Next, I am going to discuss the symbol of an element. Symbol of element. First of all, what is symbol? A letter that has a particular meaning. A letter that has a particular meaning. Is known as symbol of an element. Symbol of an element. So we can define a letter that has a particular meaning is known as symbol of an element. वो particular letter जिसका एक particular meaning हो उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? Symbol of an element. But it is required to write the symbol of an element with the help of IUPAC. IUPAC. It is the full form. What is the full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Because in your examination, the question is asked, what is the full form of IUPAC? So you are required to learn International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This is the full form of IUPAC. It is an international scientific organization. It is a international scientific organization. ये एक इंटरनेशनल साइंटिफिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. What is the function of that organization? The function is there to write the name of elements, to write the symbol of an element, and to write the unit of a particular substance, of a particular. So IUPAC, the full form of IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is an international scientific organization. The function, what is the function? It has a function to write the name, to write the symbol, to write the unit. Okay. So in your chemistry book, the most accepted symbol is IUPAC recommended symbol. So I am going to write some common name of the elements and its symbol. Name of element and symbol. First one is hydrogen. What is the symbol? H. First letter is always written as capital letter. Sodium, Na, because it is derived from natrium. So first letter is always capital letter and second letter is always a small letter, which is recommended by the IUPAC. Next one is potassium. That is kalium, K. Next one is helium. The symbol is He. Okay. So how to write up the symbol of an element? It is required to learn how to write the symbol of an element. The hydrogen, the symbol is H, sodium, the symbol is Na, potassium, the symbol is K, and helium, the symbol is He. Okay. So many elements are given in your book. You are required to write the symbol of an elements. Question regarding element. Write the symbol of following elements. A, magnesium. B, lithium. And C, calcium. So you are required to write the symbol of the following element. First one is magnesium, second one is lithium, and third one is calcium. In next video I will discuss molecule and compound in details. Thank you very much.